In my opinion, there are 10 reasons why you have to create a YouTube channel. Uh, if you do not have a YouTube channel and if you're living in 2026, then consider these 10 reasons to open or create a YouTube channel. Number one reason, to share knowledge and skills. In this world, everyone is skilled in any particular area. Suppose you are good at mathematics and someone is good at engineering and another person is good at art and design. So in whatever the field you have uh, some skills, if you share your knowledge through YouTube channel, definitely there is a benefit. What is the benefit? The benefit is that your knowledge or skills will be increased. You know, when you are imparting knowledge that you have, when you are sharing knowledge that you have, when you are conveying knowledge that you have to others, definitely the knowledge will be increased. If you stop sharing your knowledge, the knowledge that you have in your head or brain, if you stop sharing it, then your knowledge will be stagnant. There will be no use of having such knowledge in you. So if you would like to share your knowledge, then definitely you have to have a YouTube channel so that you can pass your knowledge through YouTube to others, those who do not know. Number two reason, to personal branding. Everyone should know you, right? Particularly when I talk about personal branding, another word comes which is quite similar to personal branding, that is network, right? So if you are a content creator on YouTube, if you upload videos on YouTube, then definitely your connection or your network would be stronger because people from many places, people from different areas and locations would be following you. They will be your subscribers, and you might have good strong connection that you cannot even imagine of, right? Suppose you went to some place and the place is not familiar to you and the people in that place are not familiar to you. There is a high chance that anyone from your subscribers is living in that area and you got connected with him, and you can get some help in that unfamiliar area only for your YouTube channel. So try to create a YouTube channel so that it helps you to build uh, your personal branding, and it will definitely make your network stronger. Number three, to reach people globally. You will be able to communicate or get connected with the people from other countries other than your own country, right? Particularly if you are an English YouTuber, that means if you upload videos on English language, since it's an international language, you will be able to get connected people from uh, other countries. Suppose if you are in Pakistan or if you are in India, you'll be able to meet people from Bangladesh or Nepal. You'll be able to meet people from other speaking countries, maybe United States of America or England, or maybe New Zealand people will also watch your videos. So uh, through YouTube channel, you'll be able to reach to the people, those who are living in different countries other than your own country. And number four reason, to earn income. This is one of the attractive reasons to create a YouTube channel, right? Suppose you are doing a main job, you are going to your office every single day in the morning, very early morning, and you're coming back during evening. So you are getting paid for your presence in the company. Uh, from the next day, if you stop showing your presence there, if you stop show up there, then definitely they will stop paying you back. So the job that you are doing by showing your presence, it's called active earning, right? The money that you are earning through showing your presence in a company, it's called active earning. No one will be able to no one will be able to be rich without having passive money. So what is passive money? Passive money is something, or passive earning is something like you don't need to work for it. Rather, the money will work for you, right? Let me tell you an example of passive earning. Suppose you are uploading videos there. You are uploading the video for once, but your videos will be played for many people, right? Many people will watch your videos. Your videos will be your product, and your videos will be watched by many people, right? Although maybe you are sleeping at home, although maybe you are taking dinner, taking lunch, you are not getting connected to that video anymore, but your videos are going on, people are watching them. Since they are watching them, you are earning money, you are getting money from their views. So this is called passive money, passive income, that you are not uh, currently working, but the product that you have already shared, or the product that you have already released, it has been going on to the people, it has been benefiting the people, and in return you are receiving some money. So to earn income, to have a passive income, definitely YouTube could be a great resource. And number five reason, to improve communication skills. I'm a very tiny, very little YouTuber. I started YouTube channel in 2017. I have not been that consistent. I'm still struggling to be consistent. Um, However, the number five reason that I was saying is that to improve communication skills. When I was a new YouTuber, I used to make videos at the time to in English language, but my English was very poor at the time. So what I used to do, I used to keep a script right in front of me in the monitor of my laptop, and I used to read them, and I used to make the videos, right? So words were not made instantly at that time, but uh, by the time I got a bit older in YouTube, I learned how to communicate. I learned how to describe things instantly. Suppose now I do not have any script, written script in front of me uh, to make these videos. Whatever I'm saying now, I'm making up in a second. Okay, so it's coming out of my mouth automatically. I did not make anything. I did not make any script, but I just wrote some points to discuss about. Suppose 10 points are in front of me, but I did not make any script. I would say that it's called communication skill. That means my communication skill got better. Previously, I used to read directly from the laptop or from monitor. These days, I'm not making up. I'm just looking at the point and I'm describing it. So I would say that it became only possible due to my YouTube channel. I talked, or I made many videos in English language, and eventually I became a bit comfortable in uh, English communication skill. And number six reason to create a YouTube channel, to document ideas and experiences. There are many people in the world, they do have many ideas and experiences they do have in their head, but they do not get a chance to share their experiences and ideas, lack of mm, out of not having enough ways to share it. I would say YouTube is a great way to share your experiences and ideas. uh, it could be happen that sometimes we receive, or we think of many unique experiences or ideas, and in the after a few seconds or after a few minutes we forget it, because we don't document it, we don't write it down anywhere. You could write it down, your experiences or any ideas, any unique ideas in your notebook, or you could make a you could make a YouTube channel where you can share your ideas and experiences there, right? So if you would like to document your ideas and experiences, definitely you should have a YouTube channel where you will share your experiences and ideas, so that people can benefit you. Um, I mean, people can get benefited by you. Number seven, to support a cause or mission. If you do have a mission in your life, then definitely you have to have a YouTube channel. This could be any sort of mission. That could be political mission. That could be that you would like to bring a change in the education system in your country. You would like to make the people physically fit to YouTube channel. Whatever the mission you do have, definitely in order to reach to your mission, in order to accomplish your mission, you have to have a YouTube channel. and your task will be much more easier. Okay, you'll be able to reach your target more easily uh, if you have a YouTube channel by uploading relevant videos. Number 8, to create opportunities. When you are making when you are making videos for YouTube and you are uploading videos, many people will know about you and definitely will be able to add this work in your CV. So when you are, sending your CV or resume to any company, including the link of your YouTube channel, when in the first time when they will look at your CV, when they will go through the link that you have attached of your YouTube channel, when they will see that you do already some meaningful tasks online digitally, then definitely they will have a different opinion about you. They will consider you as a proactive person. They will consider as a updated person, right? Who does not only wait for opportunities offline, rather he is actively working somewhere, right? So definitely your chance of getting the job will be much higher. So number 8 reason to, you open a YouTube channel is to create opportunities, right? So YouTube, yeah, and a YouTube channel can bring many opportunities for you. Number 9, to learn new skills. When you are making videos, you are not only making videos, you are not only making money, right? Your research and content planning skills will also be increased. You will be much more organized, right? Suppose when you would like to make a video upon any particular topic, then this is mandatory for you to go through different sorts of resources to gather information to make the video, right? You have to research a lot. You have to go through many websites, you have to read books, you have to go to different journals. So your analytical ability and research skill will be increased. And there are many other tasks that you have to do. You have to plan how you would make the video, and later how you would like to edit your video, right? So your editing skill is also will also be increased, and you will be a creative person, right? Your perspective will be diverse. Okay, so I would say, if you would like to increase your research and content planning skills, you would like to be organized person, then definitely try to create a YouTube channel, because for making every single video, this is mandatory for you to research the topic that you are going to talk about, and eventually it will become it will make you to become a good researcher. And finally, number 10, to inspire others. This is the time of disappointment. This is the time of frustration. Young people these days quite frustrated, although we do have plenty of opportunities in front of us through different technologies, but still people are disappointed. Young people are disappointed. One of the reasons to be disappointed is the distraction that we do have, right? Social in social media, you have lots of distractions. These distractions are killing our motivation. So you could utilize a YouTube channel to inspire people, to kill their disappointment, to bring them in the straight path, right? So if you would like to inspire others, if you think that you are a motivational person and you would like to utilize your motivation for the betterment of the young people, then definitely you have to have a YouTube channel where you will upload videos that will be embodied by motivation and inspiration. So these are the 10 reasons from my perspective that a person should consider to create a YouTube channel. And definitely this is a great work that everyone must do. So this is it for today. I believe everyone will create a YouTube channel and try to bring some positive changes in your surrounding. See you again. Bye bye.